All right, Darin Martineau here. I'm here with my wife, Janae. Uh, I'm going to perform for you what I call strange exchange finale. Okay, you have a card selected. I'd like you to examine the card. Okay, show front and back and show it to the audience. Is that normal card, right?
Normal card.
And I'd like you to examine the coin. Okay, examine the coin, please.
$50.
All right, roll up my sleeves. Place the card, or I place the coin in my hand. Okay. Now the card is here. Now watch. I'm just going to wave my hand, cast a shadow. Okay. Watch. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Watch. Okay. We did the first time. Okay.
What?
Now we'll do it again. Okay. You missed it. We'll do it again. Okay. Watch. Take the coin. Place it in my hand. Right. Close my hand. I'm going to wave my hand over the top. 1, 2, and 3. Just like that. Okay. There it is. Okay.
Wow.
Now, I'm going to do this again, but I need to borrow your hand. So examine the coin, please. Okay.
It's $50.
Yeah. Okay. It's a $50.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'm going to place, I want you to hold your hand out. Okay. Close your hand. Place your hand right in full view. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the card here and I'm going to show you. Here, right? Now watch. What I'm going to do here is you can see everything, right? Now watch. Okay. I'm just going to take the card, place it in my hand. Now, you can see it in my hand, right? Watch. I'm going to take it and place it in my hand. Now, we're going to say go.
Go.
And we actually made the shape change places. Open your hand.
Oh my goodness.
So
Oh my goodness.
the square coin.
Square coin
A round
and
card.
round card.
Okay, that's called the shape
Wow.
change. Think.